Welcome to our next tutorial on data entry. So in this tutorial we are going to understand how do we enter different types of data in Excel, and there are also specific shortcuts that we are going to understand side by side when we are studying about data entry. So for entering data, what you need to do, you need to select any column and just start typing. Okay, so I'm going to type down January. Okay, and once I click on enter, you can see I was on cell A2, and once I click on enter, I am redirected to cell A3. Okay, so for coming down, you can click on enter key and you are redirected to the next cell. Now I am on cell A2, and let's say I want to go to cell B2. How will I do it? I can either do it with the help of the mouse, or from the keyboard I can click on the tab button. There is a tab button on your keyboard, so you just need to click on that and you will be taken sideways. Okay, so January is what we have entered. I want to enter the next month. Oops, I made a spelling mistake. Now how do I correct it? I wanted to type the name of the next month, February, but I have made a spelling mistake. So how do I go and correct it? We are going to see three approaches, very simple. First is going to the formula bar. So I have the spelling written over here, so I can just type the new spelling over here. And if I want to go sideways, I can make use of arrows and correct the spelling as well. Okay, so February is what we have done. The spelling is now correct. This was the first approach, wherein we go to the formula bar and we type down the correct spelling. Second approach is I double click on this cell. Once I double click with the help of mouse, I'm inside the cell and I can do the formatting of the spelling and I can change the spelling. Or if you want to add something else, you can add it after February. This was the second approach, wherein you double click. Last and the third approach is by clicking F2 button. Once you click on F2, I've just clicked on F2, you are again inside the cell. Okay, I'll do it again. I'm clicking F2 and can you see I have the cursor now which is blinking and I'm inside the cell number A3, which contains the month February. So when you want to edit the data inside the cell, either you can do it from the formula bar, or you can double click on the cell, or you can click on F2 shortcut and you are inside the cell for your editing. Now I want to input more months, but I'm tired of typing each and every month. Now the autofill function will come to our rescue. For this autofill function, I'll just tell you this shortcut which Excel provides. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select these 2 months. Okay, so with the help of the mouse, I was on cell A2, which consists of the month January. So I've selected January, I've selected February by scrolling down. And I can you see this small rectangle, and once I bring my mouse on it, I'll be able to see the plus sign. So once I see the plus sign, I'll click on it. So I've clicked on the plus sign and I will scroll the mouse downwards. So I'll drag it till I get the month December and I'll just free the mouse. Okay, what I've done is I had selected these 2 months. I came over here, I just dragged the cells till the month December. So this was the first autofill function that we saw. Now coming to the next autofill function with respect to numbers. Okay, so now for numbers, I am typing 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter. So am I going to do this again and again if I want to type down 100 numbers? No. So for this also, what I can do is I can select these 3 numbers. I can again drag it till the end. Okay, what I've done is the autofill function use, I selected and I dragged it.